Hello students. Today I will discuss about Parthenocarpy by my lectures. Parthenocarpy, what is Parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy is the production of fruits without the fertilization of ovules. Fruits like banana, figs are developed without fertilization and do not produce any viable seeds. Viable seeds mean it has not real seeds that maybe germinate for a new plant. And the figure you can see in the figure without seedless pineapples. Parthenocarpic fruits. What is parthenocarpic fruit? The condition in which fruits are developed without the formation of seed is called parthenocarpy. The process of fruits production was introduced in the year 1902. This is mainly due to the absence of fertilization in plants, pollination, and embryo developed. These are the facts in the 1902. And in the botany, parthenocarpy fruit means virgin fruits. And these types of fruits are generally seedless. During the cultivation, parthenocarpy is introduced along with other plant hormones including zeolic acid. It results in the maturation of ovaries without process of fertilization and proceeds vigor and pulpy fruits. And this process is applicable to all kinds of crops from varieties of squash to cucumber and a lot more. Many crops are used for this process for the development of parthenocarpic fruit. And banana is a good example of parthenocarpic. In this natural process, the proceeds banana are still developed without viable ovaries and do not produce seeds, which means they must propagate vegetatively. Pineapples, figs are also examples of parthenocarpy which occur naturally. Now, parthenocarpic fruits like pineapple, banana, cucumber, grapes, watermelon, orange, grapefruits, pear, fig are some examples of parthenocarpic. Types of parthenocarpic. Parthenocarpic can be categorized into two parts, which are vegetative or stimulative parthenocarpic. Now, vegetative parthenocarpic. This generally takes place without pollination. Due to the absence of pollination, no seeds are produced within the. And next is stimulative parthenocarpic. Stimulative parthenocarpic generally takes place without the process of fertilization. And the condition occurs when the ovipositor of a wasp is inserted into the ovary of a flower. Can also be achieved by flowing air or plant growth regulator into the unisexual flowers that are present inside. Within next, benefits. What is benefits of the parthenocarpy? This is more healthy. The results are achieved easily. provide seedless fruits and improve quality, reduce the completely cost of the cultivation, the improve crop yield without using organic pesticides. Plant growth regulates are naturally the fruits produce are longer. Parthenocarpy keeps the insects, pests away without using chemical because there is no requirements of pollination insect for the formation of fruits. This is the protect the plants from being attacked by pesticides. These are the fact. How is the parthenocarpy induced artificially? Parthenocarpy is induced artificially by using plant growth regulators, the zeolin, auxins, and cytokinin. They are spread on flowers and they produce parthenocarpic fruits, which is stimulative parthenocarpy. The types of parthenocarpy occurs when pollination occurs but fertilization does not occur by the insertions of the visitor pores, and fruits and seeds formation without fertilization. Seeds without fertilization also utilize source species mechanism involves and seed fruits mechanism prominently asteraceae reads this mechanism. Apomixis. Apomixis is the type of asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction to produce seeds, flowers, and two types of apomixis are found in flowering plants. These are the following: an unfertilized diploid eggs developed into embryo through parthenogenesis, as example rosaceae, and embryo rising directly nucleus cells developed citrus. And what is polyembryon? Polyembryony 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 may be defined more than one embryo developed from a single ovulus. It was disclosed by Leeuwenhoek. Polyembryony occurs commonly in many animals and plants. Example: nine-banded armadillo. Polyembryony is classified into two types. These are the as follows: true polyembryony is more than two, a single ovulus. False, other from ovules developed, other from ovules, and which are developed with a single ovulus, that is called true, and that is called false, which are without ovules developed more than one embryo without ovules. That is the end of my lectures, students. I think you have understood the facts of the parthenocarpy, and which whatever you think about some is hard, the fact cannot be understood by you. Please subscribe my विषय विज्ञान channel of YouTube and download your queries. I will discuss later on. Thanks.